I'm not sure how many steps we have come so far. Seems like maybe 700-800. My legs are really shaking. 4,200 steps more. Hopefully I will make it. Well, I have to make it. I cannot go up, and I have decided to make it to the bottom. So no matter what, I'm going to make it. There are no more railings. It's going to get much more difficult for me because my legs are still shaking. And I am not going to back off. I'm going to keep going, but maybe a little bit slower. It's so beautiful here. I feel God's presence everywhere. Subhanallah. We're having some red beets for snack and some sandwiches. Give us some more energy. It's been feeling good coming down. Looks like now we have to go up quite a bit. I see some railings again, thank God. What does this mean? I wonder if it just fell or whether they're giving us a sign we're not supposed to go past this marker, but I am going to keep going. Oh my God, this is 2K. That means we have come down 2,000 steps. That means we have 2,200 more. Oh my God. Oh, hopefully I will make it. I'm so tired, but I have to keep going. This is the great find in the rainforest. I'm not even a Tarzan yet. Wow. We have walked over 2,000 steps. My whole legs both really shaking. But there's no going back. We have to move forward. Instead of concentrating on my legs, I'm going to concentrate on the nature, on beauty, and God's creation. Everything is so beautiful. Thank God we're down. We made it. We just walked down 4,200 steps. It was not easy. My legs are really shaking. But there was no going back. We left from the top. Somebody dropped us off, we came down, and I was determined to make it. I just want to say that whatever you decide to do, whenever you have a goal, don't think about going back. Just keep going forward, stop, rest, but move forward. At the end, you achieve your goal. I'm really glad to do this, and I'm only 70 years old, so age doesn't matter. We have to have willpower in order to reach our goal. Have a nice day.